Hello and welcome to the Bible Flicks. This is Zuzu and today I'm going to read from Grandma's Garden by Mercer. Today we're going to help Grandma plant a garden. I picked out a bunch of seeds. Little sister did too. First, we dug rows in the ground. I used a hoe and little sister used a shovel. Next, we planted our seeds. I planted peas and carrots. Little sister planted beans. Every day we worked on the garden and I watered the plants and little sister pulled weeds. We watched the plants grow bigger and bigger. By the end of the summer, it was time to pick our vegetables. Grandma said this was her best garden ever. I said I never knew vegetables could be so yummy. The end. I hope you enjoyed our Bible Flick story for today. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye.